What's up, YouTube? Rob Delpenance here, aka Rob's Vintage, with a new video, an unboxing video of sorts, sort of a bag, so we'll call it an unbagging. It's coming all the way from Mendoza, California. As you can see by the jersey and the hat I'm wearing, this is going to be Bay Area related. So I'll say that before I crack it open. And yeah, other than that, I paid 17 bucks Canadian for this. And I forget what the shipping was, but it was a hell of a lot more money than the $6.10 that it cost them to ship. But that's all good. We'll crack into this thing and we'll go from there. Okay, there we go. Oh, alright. Damn. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. It's free. It's open. And one more. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's fucking awesome. Whew. Oh yeah. Little starter, NFL on the sleeve. Take the back out so you can get the back in there for you. Yeah. So, yeah, little San Francisco 49ers. Little Bay Area boy, you know. Boom, boom, boom. So there it is. So alright, it's an unboxing. Rob Delpenance here. Rob's Vintage on Instagram. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out this video. Like, comment, subscribe again, like I said. Happy holidays.